Elon Musk from zero to everything. Imagine a young boy in South Africa, shy, bullied, lost in books. That boy was Elon Musk. No money. No fame. Just a dream bigger than the sky. He taught himself to code at 12, sold his first game, and realized knowledge is the real rocket fuel. Fast forward, he lands in America with almost nothing. Just two things in his pocket, courage and crazy ideas. When the world said impossible, Elon said, "Watch me." He built Zip-Do, sold it. Built PayPal, sold it. Every time, he didn't stop to celebrate, he reinvested. He reimagined, he reignitted. And then came the wildest dream, rockets. Everyone laughed. SpaceX will fail, they said. First 3 launches. Boom. Failure. Millions lost. Critics cheered. But Elon. He whispered, "One more try." The 4th launch. Success. NASA signed on. SpaceX was alive. Failure wasn't the end. It was the launcher pad. Then came Tesla. People mocked electric cars. Toy for rich kids, they said. Elon pushed harder. Slept on the factory floor. Fought bankruptcy. Today, Tesla is the symbol of the future. SolarCity, Neuralink, the boring company, every idea crazier than the last, yet each one a step toward tomorrow. He didn't chase money. He chased missions. From zero to billions, from bullied kid to the man who wants to colonize Mars, Elon Musk proved one thing. Dreams are not meant to be small. Dreams are meant to scare you, break you, and then make you unstoppable. So next time someone says impossible, remember Elon Musk. Because the story of Musk is not about rockets or cars. It's about mindset. Never stop. Never settle. Never shrink your dream door. From zero to everything, that's Elon Musk.